Hey creators, hope all is well. My name is Ibrahim. I'm the founder of Taja AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to use the newly revamped UI UX of Taja. We created this as a brand new product, revamped our whole backend, etc., just to make the product more stable, faster, and scalable. This is V1 of this product, so we will be adding more features to it very quickly. Some of your favorite features will be back, like backlog boost, next video generator. We'll be able to generate thumbnails with your faces, which is coming very soon. But in this case, I'm going to show you how you're able to use V1 for now. So right here, you have your dashboard in which you're going to be able to either drag a file from your computer or paste in a video link. So from this process, I'm just going to paste a link, put it in here. You're just going to click optimize, and then what's going to happen is Taj is going to go in the background, transcribe the video, understand what it's about, do a deep dive into the channel audience, and then generate for us our results. So I'll give it a second to go through its loading state and then generate the results for us. Okay, so as you see here, Taj generated the results. So it pulls the video. You can download the video here, and then you can download all the output that we generate for you. So if you scroll down a little bit, as you see, thumbnails are coming very soon, like I mentioned, but we're excited to release that for you. You see here, there's going to be the titles. So it generated different titles for us based on the video transcript. What you can do is copy the title that you want, select it and copy it and take it to YouTube, or you can regenerate a title. So this is new, where we allow you to regenerate specific parts of the output. So in this case, you could select here, you can type anything like make this more bold, or etc. Include emojis, whatever you want to prompt it. Think about it like how you prompt ChatGPT. You can do that here. You can select the language you want. You can also select the tone. So these are different things, and then you just click submit, and it'll regenerate based on what you inputted. We also have the retry function, which allows you to retry the entire video. So if you're like, I don't want to just prompt to certain titles or the description, you can just retry this. But you have your titles, you have your description here, you have your chapters, you have your tags, which are scored as well. And then here's the video transcript, in which you can also copy this. So and again, you can reprompt certain elements, or you can reprompt the entire thing right here. If for any reason your video is stuck processing, whether it's the long form optimization or the shorts, etc., you can just click delete and then retry the video. If you go over here, you're going to have your shorts. So each short is cropped vertically with the title and the captions over top. Each one comes with a title, the description, the tags, in which you can edit, download, or publish. So if you want to, let's just go through every single one. If you edit, you can here select your title, your caption, whether you want that on or off. And then you can also select where you want the positioning. So if you're like, I want this here, etc., you can do that. The x-axis, the font size, and then right here, you can just click on if you click on a certain word, it'll take you to that word, and then you can just edit it however you want by clicking this button. You can also drag the duration. So if you're like, I want this shorter, you can do that. Once you're done, you can click either save at the top here, or you can click download and it'll download that, or you can publish. So those are the different elements. So those are that element. If you want to regenerate a short, you are able to do that here. You can also click download all if you want to download all your shorts to your computer. And then you can also publish all if you don't want to just publish one by one. So if you click this publish button, it's going to load up all your connected platforms. If you're not connected, it's going to ask you to connect. And then just to publish, you can just click the certain platforms, and you can just click publish now, and it'll go out to those platforms. One thing to note is that if you're an existing user, it might be good for you to unlink and then relink your accounts, and I'll show you how you're able to do that. And then the other element too is you can schedule. You can just do that here, select the day and then time, and then it can schedule. As you see here, YouTube is not here. We are working with them on getting more API quota, and once that is back, you'll be able to publish and schedule to YouTube. The other element is your download. Like I said, you have your download all, your publish all. Some of your favorite features like bulk auto schedule, etc., are going to be coming back really soon. But this is what is available to you now. The other element is clips. So this is going to generate videos 30 minutes or longer, but this is essentially 2 to 15-minute segments of your video in which you can publish those to Facebook or LinkedIn for now, and then YouTube will be coming soon. But essentially, you can just generate the title, the description. It'll generate the title, the description, the tags for you as well. Right here, you have your blog post. So this allows you to just create a blog post from the video. You can go down here and anywhere you can move things around if you want. So if you're like, I want this to be up a little, you can do that. If you want to add images and stuff, you can just click the / command and then it'll generate all that for you. And you can add the media or more customization to your blog. You can copy it. The easiest way to copy it that'll bring it as is just the markdown. And then you can also regenerate and prompt it like you do for the title, description, the tags, like I showed earlier. Right here, you have your LinkedIn post, which you can copy, edit, regenerate, or publish as well. And then you have your thread post, which you can copy, edit, regenerate, or publish as well. Everything that you publish will show up right here in your content calendar. Wait for this to load. And then right here, you also have your profile, which will have your account info, your profiles that are linked. So right here is where you can disconnect and reconnect. Please note, I know it shows YouTube for me because I previously connected it to Taja. But if you disconnect, it's just going to show coming soon. So again, YouTube is not currently available to be able to publish to, but it's coming very soon. And then right here, you have your plan. So that is essentially V1 of Taja. Again, we are going to be shipping features really quick and notifying you and bringing back some of your favorite old features and making some new renovations to Taja. As always, please send us feedback of how you're experiencing and using the product and what other features you'd like to see. And we will do everything in our power to make sure we build those very quickly for you. Thanks for being a part of our community and watching this video.